Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is another scripting challenge. Okay, now our main discussion Apache JMeter scripting challenge 5. Okay, today you need to discuss. This is the main topic. Okay, first one. It's a scenario. It's provided only example point only. I'm able to provide. On the same time, I'm not able to reproduce this challenge. What are the issue I faced? Right, that is based on application only. But I'm not able to reproduce. The reason that is application related only it's facing, right? That reason I am not able to reproduce. But exactly what is the scenario and how we need to resolve that one. That details I'm very clearly I will provide this video. Okay. First one is the scenario example. I have recorded the one script. Okay. The transactions is okay. First one is the launch URL, login, flight booking, flight details, search flight and passengers list and sign off. Okay, this is our flow. Okay, after the correlation, parameterization and page verification is completed, but the problem is flight booking. Okay, whenever you need to book the flights, right? Flight booking transactions backend is not working. What are the dynamic values is generated not only for login transaction, remaining entire script, what are the dynamic values is generated, right? The correlation is completed. Okay, but cookie manager generated another dynamic value. Okay, the response is flight booking transaction. Flight booking transactions in view results tree, the response body. But cookie manager generated dynamic value not available in transactions list. Okay. What are the responses you find out in view results tree, right? The same dynamic values available in your transactions, but the problem is whenever you see the dynamic value in view results tree, but the dynamic value is not available in our transactions list, that is generated by cookie manager only. That is the reason whenever you reply the script you getting the error. On the same time the backend flight bookings is not happening, means if the flight booking transactions backend is not working. That is the main issue. Okay. Okay, now maybe you understand what is the exactly issue. It's a very simple. The cookie manager generated the another dynamic value generated, that is able to see the in your view results tree, but means your response point of view able to see, but transactions it's not available the dynamic value. Okay, that reason only script is failing. This is the issue currently. Now solution. Okay, solution is I need to do the cookie manager generated dynamic value stored to the I am already correlated dynamic value. I am already correlated dynamic value solve this issue. Very simple. Whatever dynamic value is generated, right? The dynamic value you need to store or you need to pass it to the already correlated dynamic value. Okay, that time the issue will be resolved. Okay, this is the way you need to resolve the issue. Now the tree structure. First one, test plan, thread group, users point of view, user defined variables. You need to pass it to the what are the variables you require. That is your own wish. Okay, you require you can mention, otherwise you can leave it. After HTTP request default also your wish. It's required you can use it, otherwise you can leave it this one also. After mandatory things, one is cache manager, one is cookie manager. Cache manager every time users execution time clear the cache, and cookie manager also you need to clear the cookie. Okay, after the same flow only, launch URL, login, flight booking, flight details, search flight, passengers list and sign off, and view results tree, view result table, aggregate report will be provided. Okay, these are the exactly the tree structure for test plan tree structure. Okay, now how we need to resolve that specific issue, right? In these specific transactions. Okay, first you need to understand the you can add to the BeanShell post processor. Okay, you need to add the BeanShell post processor. BeanShell post processor Um, Currently the cookie generated dynamic value, right? You can see the generated dynamic value in cookie means, example, you can add to the cookie manager. Okay, cookie manager generated dynamic value. You can see set cookie colon OSCS ID equal to, this is entire dynamic value, means this is the full dynamic value. This is the remaining path for identifying unique purpose. You can take it this one. Okay, and this is the before value is the left and that is the right boundary. You can take it. Okay, now what will be happen, right? I am using the probes dot put, means you need to pass it this value. Okay, first I will give it to the my cookie. My cookie means this is myself. I will give in, it's already dynamic value wherever in the script, it's already correlated. This one is already correlated one. Okay, this is now it's correlated for OSCS ID. OSCS ID dynamic value is correlated in adding to the regular expression extractor, and you can give into the same within the dollars dollar open and close the brackets. You can use the cookie underscore OSCS ID. Okay, this is cookie manager generated dynamic value correlated one. Okay, you can give in the within the double quotations. This is my cookie, right? My cookie, it's already correlated. Okay, this is our general script dynamic value, everything it's available correlated. Now what will happen, right? The probes dot put, you can use it to whatever dynamic value correlated, this one, this is the new one, cookie manager generated dynamic value. This value you need to pass it to the already correlated dynamic value. Sorry, already correlated one, right? This is already correlated one, this is new one, this is new one. The OSCS ID one means cookie manager generated dynamic value. This is normally generated dynamic value correlated. This OSCS ID dynamic value you need to pass it to the this place. That reason you need to use the probes dot put function. Okay, you need to add this way. For BeanShell post processor, post processor means the HTTP request execution after will be executed. Okay, this is the first step, post processor side. Now moving to the BeanShell preprocessor, you need to add the BeanShell preprocessor. Okay, once you need to add the BeanShell preprocessor, right? This is everything related to cookie related and cookie manager. You need to add some packages. Especially this is called JMeter only. Okay, you can see under BeanShell preprocessor. HTTP request execute before you need to write this one. Import org dot apache dot jmeter dot protocol dot http colon control dot cookie manager. This is the cookie manager related. Second one, now cookie same, import org dot apache dot jmeter dot protocol dot http dot control dot cookie. These two packages you loaded now. Now move into cookie manager. Cookie manager equal to CTX means Citrix. You know these functions, right? It's all available in JMeter. Citrix dot get current sample. Get current sample means whatever request currently executed. Get current sample dot get cookie manager. Whatever cookie manager generated dynamic value, right? That one you can getting this one. Okay. After our main target is you need to whatever cookie manager generated dynamic value you need to pass it. Okay. Now cookie equal to new cookie open. What is the name? This is the OSCS ID. Within the double quotation you can give the OSCS ID. Probes dot get open my cookie. My cookie means you can see this value you need to pass to this place and you can use it directly. This is the already correlated one, right? You can use the my cookie means now also this value it's already passed, but especially in BeanShell preprocessor, right? Now it's passing that one OSCS ID and probes.get my cookie. You can call it as my cookie means directly this one it's already passed, right? Needed execution purpose. My cookie, comma, you can provide it the new tools, right? This one identifying purpose new tools.demo.uid.com double quotation slash, it's a backward slash and you can give in false comma 0. Okay, based on the conditions you can give. And the last one, manage dot add cookie. This is very important point, you can see. Okay, manage dot add cookie means whatever cookie will provided, right? This is cookie, this is my cookie. My cookie, it's already correlated one. Cookie means whatever cookie manager generated dynamic value. Whenever you add the manager dot add, you can give the cookie. Now this cookie means whatever value it's available, right? This cookie will pass it to my cookie. Okay, that time the issue will be resolved. Is a dynamic value you're not able to correlate it, right? You don't have any transactions place, it's not available the dynamic value. You already correlated value, it's passed, the issue will be resolved. This is the way the entire process will be work. Okay, now execution time, how we need to moving, right? First one, first whenever you can click on run, first BeanShell preprocessor will trigger. Okay, BeanShell preprocessor will execute this packages and whatever data you provided, right? Everything will be until my cookie will be, you can call it as my cookie. My cookie, it's all available post processor. Whenever my cookie it's called, right, automatically you need to add this one. Add means cookie, you need to pass it to my cookie. Cookie is passed to my cookie. Okay, whenever cookie is passed to my cookie, right, the HTTP request execution time, okay, the HTTP request execution time, you can trigger to the post processor. HTTP request is executed, he will find out the cookie manager dynamic value, the script is failed. Okay, but the script failure before only the BeanShell post processor also will be triggered. Whatever values will be provided, right, is already given manager dot add cookie. Okay, manager dot add cookie will be given, means the cookie you need to add it to the my cookie. That reason the HTTP request is success. That is the way will be work. Okay, this cookie manager's execution before, you need to do one small change in your JMeter properties. Okay, you can go to example now, go to JMeter bin folder, go to JMeter bin folder, open jmeter.properties file and search cookie manager dot save dot cookie. Cookie, you have got this one, you can see this is by default it will provided. By default it's not available true. Okay, by default this is the way it's available. You can see cookie manager behavior should cookie to be stored as variables. Okay, something data is available as cookie manager dot cookie manager dot save dot cookies equal to false, by default available false condition. Okay, you need to change to true but not in the hash. What you will do, right, just you can copy this one same notepad. Okay, before you can paste it. Okay, whenever you can mention hash, right, it's a commented in JMeter notepad or whatever files properties point of view. Whenever you can remove the hash symbol and you can give the cookie manager dot save dot cookies equal to true. Now whatever cookie related will be doing your work, it will be stored to the where you record whatever variable you given, right, my cookie, that place will be saved and your script will be work as expected. Okay, this is the way you need to do this job. Okay, whenever you done this one also, just you can see save the file and close and start the script execution of the execute of the script. Okay, this is the entire process, guys. You need to do this one. I am also take this is very too much time, so many times it's failed, and keep on trying and you need to learn, checking to the so many websites. After I will understand how the cookie manager will be work, this type of situations, how we need to handle that one. Okay, based on that one only I am able to solve this issue. Okay, this one also it's not a complicated, but you need to learn who are the people will be professionally, you need to work to the in JMeter, right? That people's, please, you can learn any one of the scripting, that is your own wish. Okay, You interested for Groovy scripting or BeanShell scripting or JavaScript or Java, anything, your own choice. But one point, just syntax will be changed. Everything it's only Java family only. Okay, that is most important one. Okay, everything under Java family only will be work. Okay, whenever you learn writing to the scripting, right, this type of issues you can easily need to resolve and you can complete your task. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. And just I will show you where you need to change the properties, right? You can see whenever you can go to the, just I will show you one time. You can go to the JMeter, first one. After JMeter, go to bin folder. Under bin folder, you can check to the properties file. Okay, where it's available, properties file. That is the important. Okay, the properties files is JMeter properties file. Just you can double click and you can open it. You can go and check to the cookie manager. Okay, you can type to the cookie space cookie manager. Okay, maybe space is the issue. Okay, now you got it right. You can see this is not one. Yeah, you can see this is the right one. Cookie manager behavior, right? Cookie manager dot save dot cookies equal to false. By default it's available false. Okay, you need to change. You can copy this one entirely, paste it to below. Without hash symbol you can give the true. That time only your code will be work. Okay, most of the time this type of cookie related things, right, will be uh, issues will be faced only banking related applications. Okay, remaining application most of the time you did not get. Okay, that is also rare case. Banking means there are so many security features and so many firewall securities also available, right? And application will develop also security related. Okay, so many stuffs back and so many instructions will be given. That reason only this type of issues will be raising. Okay, otherwise as for business applications, right, it's not coming that type of one. Means just my experience based I will see. I never commented to it's a huge experience people maybe face. I'm not sure that one. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. Maybe now you understand, right? Okay, exactly what is the scenario. Okay, first I will tell you especially for interview side, please you can minimum 2-3 times before you can learn this one. Okay, you need to example you can take in this scenario and this solution only, right? Whenever interviewer asking, you need to explain slowly. You can explain how much time will be took, it's not a matter. Okay, how much time it's available, that is also not a matter. Okay, means I am also taking so many people interview, right? First and second round, you need who are the people will explain slowly in our questions and answers, right? In practical way only need to explain, so do not tell any definitions, that type of one. Okay, example, I will ask, based on your experience, what are the scripting challenges you faced in JMeter? Explain minimum one or two. Okay, that question, some people directly will told, okay, I'm working on the so and so application and I find out this issue and assign solved. Okay, that way you don't tell anywhere, that is not possible. Okay, I mean sir, it's a candidate is 20 years experience also, that much of fastly is not able to solve, right? You need to moving for step by step only, you need to move far away. Okay, you need to explain the step by step process only. First of all, what is your scenario? Okay, what type of issue you are facing, after how you need to resolve. Okay, what is your tree structure, what are the elements you use, especially example BeanShell post processor, how we need to use BeanShell preprocessor, how we need to use. Okay, finally what are the, okay, whenever you change everything cookie manager able to work, right, it's not work. Okay, you need to change this one to without a hash symbol, you can give the true condition. That time only this entire code will be work in cookie manager. Okay, These are the things you need to explain, and finally your script is working. Okay, that is the way only, guys. You need to explain. Who are the people will be explained slowly, step by step, very clear understanding, right? Just around five or six questions only, it's sufficient. You can give proper answer, right? Most of the time first or second round will give in 30 minutes duration for interview. Whenever you explain step by step, you can explain, right? 5 to 6 questions you can answer, that is sufficient. 30 minutes is gone. Okay, that reason you need to explain slowly. It's not a matter, okay, how fast you explain, but can interviewer how much you understand only, it's important. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. This video, I hopefully this video will helpful somebody. Okay, and my small request, you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I will provide the more videos on same. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will connect with my another video. Thanks everyone. Bye.